In front of me is Motorola Moto G54 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then click on device lock over here and select face unlock. Following that, enter your current login method and click on Setup twice at the bottom right corner. Now just keep your face in frame and wait. Finally, you can manage those two options however you want to, and when you finished, select Next. Then done. So when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I guess that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!